thank you to all of you. When I was, मैं सुन रही थी, I could feel that, a reflection of we all have a similar kind of, stories. And being woman is itself that we are connected. We are connected in so many ways. So please allow me. I have a, थोड़ी सी slides हैं. Allow me to share that so that I can take you all through my journey where how did I become a coach and what is the reason, the strong reason behind to become a coach. So who am I? So I am Premsai Samantray, and I am the founder of Enhanced Life Skill. And I am certified life coach. I'm pursuing my ICF certification, which I will be completing in the month of August. Couple of months more, and I'm a certified NLP master practitioner as well. I have 15 years of experience in the corporate industry in training, facilitating, mentoring, and coaching. I've empowered professionals and women out there. Apart from very passionate about my coaching and training, I also live as a mother, a wife, a yoga practitioner. There's a story behind why I started doing yoga, and a Vipassana meditator as well. I sketch and paint, and I write blogs as well. So apart from my work website, Enhanced Life Skill, I have another blog site that is mylifepetals.com. What do I do? I train, mentor, coach professionals and women to be a leader and to lead their own lives and help them to move to the next level in their personal and professional lives. How do I do that? I use my NLP tools and techniques. I help my client to excel and discover their best version of themselves. I think यही बात हम सबने कही है today. So, and we are the proof of that who we are today, and sitting and discussing about our life stories. And so I help my client to have a balanced, happy, enhanced, and fulfilling life. I offer a range of services, starting from one-to-one sessions, online coaching sessions, mental well-being, and leadership workshops. So why do I do? It's because of this, because I made a lot of mistakes in my life. So it's in 2011, 12, 13, after my marriage, I did some mistakes. So why do I do? Because of this, because I have been there. I battled through two, heart-wrenching life incidents, and I found a way out. I realized that, we all spoke about, like, I think Rachina and Sada, they spoke about mind and emotions. So I would like to curate it as me, the best me. So ME, mind and emotion. So I realized that these all four that we have, the elements that we have, or you can say the fundamental tools that we have, the body, the mind, emotions, and energy. It is one of the fundamental aspects of it to take care, and which helps to evolve in our life journey. And while I do this, it gives me immense fulfillment to combine my experience, passion, strength, expertise to empower my clients and whomever I meet. So I am sharing this mistake because I've done it, and then after that I took my decision that to change my thought process, and then my whole story changed. And what are my mistakes? I'm going to share my mistakes today. Where I'll talk about my retakes, because mistakes are just missed takes. We have to retake. So I have done the same in my life as well. And how did I recreate my desired life once again on my terms? So guys, मेरी बचपन बहुत अच्छा था. This is me, happy going, the youngest at home, and मेरे ऊपर 5 भाई बहन, and all of this, the first 5 were 2 to 3 years difference. तो उसके बाद जब 6th वाली मैं आई, it was ना 9-10 years of a difference. I don't know what plans my parents had, but I was born. So this is me, and this is my beloved brother. And if you can see, we kind of, he's 9 to 10 years elder to me, 9.5 years elder to me. And when I entered my college, and that time he got married, within 15 days of his marriage, he met with an accident and lost him. And I was too close to him. I was very close to him. So that is my first, you can say, life event that I went through. I'm just muting this. Yeah. So that is my first setback, death of my dear brother. And then I went to a depression. Depression is like with a lot of health issues. My pulse rate was very high, anxiety, you can say tachycardia. That is what is the term given to by my doctor. abnormal ECG, monthly doctor visit. It went for 2 years. It was very, very difficult to, you know, live day by day missing him and all that. I didn't know how to handle my mind. I didn't know anything about it. It was like my mind was driving me crazy. And then somebody suggested that why don't you start doing a little bit of, exercise and yoga, and then you'll be able to do it. So somehow, I would not say fully, but somehow I kind of, was able to overcome this particular first setback in my life. After that, this is me. So this situation is my second incident which happened after my marriage. And we all spoke about how what happens. Even Rachna spoke about कि शादी के बाद क्या क्या चीजें होती है. So we don't get married only to the boy or to the men. We married to the whole family से शादी होती है. Lot of expectations and lot of things. So बहुत सारी चीज हुई. So I would not go into detail about it. It's all the same story. So a lot of things I heard about my skin and all. गोरी होती तो ऐसा होता and all that. So I kind of, started, कब पता ही नहीं चला, I started slipping off my taking care of my like self care. It छूट गया मेरे से. And then I conceived, and during that time when my son was around 1.5 years old, so within 4 सालों में it was like chaotic of my life. And then my second setback was my disc prolapse condition. I had a disc prolapse, very bad disc prolapse, just like I was bedridden. It was a lot of pain. It's like, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh dikh jate the when I was trying to even change my sides. जब रात को करवट भी बदलना होता था, it was too much of pain. So the mental pain, the kind of environment I was in, my husband is very supportive, but the other, that kind of contribution and cooperation, at times we don't get it. That is the reality. So a lot of pain mentally and physically, and a lot of ऐसा होता है कि सुनना बहुत कुछ पड़ता है. So these are the mistakes which I created and created my own suffering, you can say. First तो मैंने what I could realize is I rejected the reality. Except ही नहीं होता था. It was like a lot of tears day in and day out. And self-awareness, though, it was absolutely koso dur tha mere se. Lack of self-awareness made me like a slave of my emotions. It was so bad in mood swings and all that. Distorted thinking pattern. एक दिन अच्छा लगा तो एक दिन अच्छा नहीं लगा. It was like a mess up. I labeled myself, why me, and I blamed others. I blamed myself. I suffered like the victim mindset. Started comparing कि उनका अच्छा है, मेरा अच्छा नहीं है. All this led to, this disc prolapse, PCOD, cyst, chronic acute anemia, and stress, and a cranky mind. As like chatter, like my mind was absolutely chattering inside. Like I don't know how many personality I was living those days. So few changes I started thinking of, and then I started off like देखते हैं क्या होता है. Let me sit with my problems. Let me start observing my situations. By then डॉक्टर ने भी बहुत कुछ बोल रखा था कि प्रेम सा you need to think twice to continue with the profession, because it needs a lot of long hours standing. So मैंने सोचा कि like is it the final thing, or do I need to explore possibilities? Then I thought of kitna din roam. So after a couple of months, I thought of let me start, like let me be vulnerable about sharing my issues and situations, and let me see what people have in their mind to share suggestions or that sort of. So मैंने अपने बारे में like I started sharing with others, and I started taking and asking suggestions, and then I got to know that there are other possibilities as well to recover. And I sat with my emotions and observed in detail, and I recognized that what are the drama that I'm creating at an emotional level, and what are my facts and what are my fake emotions. I owned my mistakes instead of blaming, and I allowed my emotion to get manifested in a very healthy way, because controlling the mind doesn't help. Rather, channelizing the energy or that negative energy towards the positive side. That's what I realized in my healing journey. So that's how I started, enrolling myself slowly into yoga classes and all that. And then I had one trainer who used to train me for 1 hour. 1 year, जिसने मुझे थोड़ा सा somehow mobile banaya, and then from there I started my yoga journey, and then I went for a Vipassana 10 days course. I started my meditation journey as well. I started doodling, sketching, writing blogs, which helped me immensely. I accepted that what I cannot change, I cannot change. But at the same time, I also started exploring possibilities. What I can change, I must change. So I acknowledged the reality, adapted to the new stuff, and acted to manifest it to my desired goal. So how did I do this? I started taking one day at a time. That is my mantra of success. And one approach which helped me to become a coach today is only because I started asking a lot of self-coaching questions daily, considering hashtag one day at a time. These are the underlying questions which I always ask myself, and that's how I started my journey from then. What do I really want at this moment, and whom do I need to forgive? Because unless we let go, till what time shall I hold my emotions, or hold my emotions, or that past moments to hold, and is it really helping me? What is my fear really telling me, and what is my superpower? When I started asking these questions to myself, I started getting slowly into a detail, like knowing about how my mind behaves, and what all possibilities and I can explore to stretch myself to get there where I want to be. So this is a kind of self-coaching questions which I still follow each day to become better, like each day to the best version of myself. So I started taking one step, one day at a time. That's my mantra. And apart that, I happened to visit US. I was there for a couple of years, and then what happened. These are the beautiful moments where I would say it is like is the making of me in the making. You would say. So I got a chance to perform some dance on stage over there. I started doing yoga, advanced yoga, and all that. And I'm still in the journey. There are still certain asanas I'm not able to do. I think Rima is there, so she teaches power yoga. So I think she would get to know about what it takes to get some asanas. It takes a lot of stretching and all that. So still I'm struggling few, but then I'm still in the journey of making it to the best of myself. I have passed many failures on my way to my transformational journey, and I'm not done yet. So, guys, this is my healing journey, and the whole story is right there in my website under Know Your Coach. And so, my message is, when life is messy, or when life becomes messy, we have to read what is the message in the middle of the mess. And my life mantra is one day at a time. So I help people and professionals and women who are stuck in their life. So if somebody is stuck in their life, then I think I believe that the way I have overcome to the possibilities of becoming the best version of myself, I can help others as a coach who are willing to move forward with a commitment. So how about starting the journey, transformation journey with me?
Failure is the first attempt in learning, and those who don't give up have a successful career, and that is how you have overcome them.
Yes.
So always take failure as your first attempt in learning, which each one of us should follow this.
Absolutely. So I offer a range of services like one-on-one online coaching sessions, workshops on mental well-being, leadership workshops for corporates. So basically what I do for my one-to-one weekly online coaching session is minimum 6 to 8 session has to be there, because then only the change can happen. And then I can take it from there till it is needed by my client. And basically, how do? I use my NLP tools and techniques. I have been using these tools and techniques, and it is amazingly working, because it's been, I think, 12 years for now I'm using these techniques to empower people around. So this is all my story about healing journey. And over to you, Sarbari, and thank you so much for such great energy from all of you that I'm getting today. Thanks. I'm really blessed to have joined today. I was also very curious about कैसे सबके साथ जान पहचान होगा, and like what are the things we'll be doing and all that. But then the way we started, it was like bang on.